Hello viewers, today we have come to a small block of Tripura, Killa block, and this Killa block is located in Gomati district in Tripura. We had a discussion with the Renewable Energy Department of Tripura, TREDA, for some innovative projects which involves water as well as renewable energy like solar energy. And this is a small block. It's far away from Agartala, the state capital of Tripura. But still, what we can see, that TREDA has taken a good initiative. And in this block, this small block of Killa, they have installed the about 200 numbers of solar street light. So a lot of developments are happening even in rural part of India. At TekBerry, we believe this kind of a small initiative brings a big result. And at TekBerry, we are doing lot of water management projects, and nowadays also we are incorporating renewable energy with water. Viewers, if you like our content, please subscribe our channel and also share the content of our channel with your family and friends. Thank you.